In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward all meetings in Outlook calendar outside organization. We'll do this by setting up a simple automation in Zapier that listens for new Outlook events and sends their details to a Notion database you can share with anyone outside your company. This avoids manual forwarding and keeps everyone in the loop. Start by heading to Zapier and sign in, or create a free account if you're new. On your dashboard, click Create Zap. A Zap is just an automated workflow with a trigger and an action, and we'll build both in a few minutes. For the trigger, search for Microsoft Outlook and select it. When Zapier asks which event should start the workflow, choose New Calendar Event. You can also pick New Email, but New Calendar Event is ideal when your goal is to capture meetings as they're added. Click Continue, then connect your Outlook account and grant permission so Zapier can read your calendar. If you have multiple calendars, make sure you choose the one where your meetings live. Next, set up the action. Search for Notion and select it as the action app. Choose Create Database Item. You'll be prompted to connect your Notion workspace. Approve access so Zapier can add items for you. This is safe to do, and you can revoke it anytime from your Notion settings. Now configure the automation. Select the Notion database you want to populate. It helps if that database already has properties like title, date, location, attendees, notes, and meeting link. In the mapping area, link Outlook fields to these properties. Map, subject to title, start and end to your date field, location to location, and paste the online meeting URL into meeting link. If Outlook provides attendees or organizer details, map those into a text or people property. For the description, map the event body so external viewers see the context. Before going live, click Test to pull a recent Outlook event and have Zapier create a sample item in Notion. Open Notion to confirm the information appears exactly how you want. Adjust any mappings for clarity, then return to Zapier and turn your Zap on. From this point forward, every new meeting added to your Outlook calendar will automatically create a matching entry in Notion. Share that Notion database with clients or partners, and they'll receive up-to-date meeting details without you forwarding anything manually. That's it. Simple, reliable, and ready to scale.